So here we go. Hopefully this works. This is a General Electric AC4400 that I'm painting for a friend. If you notice, it doesn't have any of the main details on it applied, like the drop grab irons, anything like that, because I have a kind of a complex paint scheme. 2-3 parts. So I'll primer, I'll shoot the orange, then I'll mask off and do the black. After that, then I add the details and do touch-up paint. So we got our Tamiya paint, and you want to make sure you shake your paint well. I've shook this prior to starting the video. And what we want to do, we want to paint in a semi-warm environment above 65 degrees, preferably around 70. In a basement, that's normally what we stay at, about 68, 70. No high humidity. High humidity is bad for you. So if you're painting outside on a rainy day, your paint's not going to be that great, and it's probably going to peel off the model. So in previous tutorial, you want to make sure that you wash it. Use Dawn dish detergent. You get all the oil and the resin cast off of it, all that. So I'm going to start at a foot away. Do light coats. And you also want to wear a breathing apparatus or a mask. Now, primer coats do not have to be that thick. So there you go. There's the AC. And I use acrylics, preferably Tamiya paint, and it dries fairly quickly. So we have a container that we put our model in. So if you got a dog, place is dusty that you're shooting paint in, probably not the best place. So you try to keep your work area clean. And if you're trying to do a exceptionally good job, which you should, you want to put your parts that you just paint in a container. So here we have a SD40-2. If you notice, I added the lift rings, the air horn, and the grab iron for the top. So, and the grab iron for here on the nose. Now, no other parts are going to go on this. And you're probably asking, why did I do it that way? Well, when I put my masking tape across, this section is going to be black. That's what I need it to be. So I don't have to get in there and detail that. Now, if I'm shooting a solid color locomotive, I'm probably going to detail it out, put the rear grab irons on, unless it's got a decal on the ends, and go to town with it. So, same thing. Start out, light coat. I want to hit the front, side to side motion, up and down for the ends, and your top, you want to shoot at an angle. You may have to do various angles depending on the locomotive. So there you have it. That's how you prime a locomotive. Now I will let these sit for over 24 hours before proceeding to the next step. And why would I do that? That gives our primer enough time to attack the plastic and make a bond. So I always want to do 24 hours plus between coats to keep it safe. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The next one, I'll show you some masking tricks. We'll go from there. Thanks.